Hey, Al Smith here, owner of Train Change Fitness and developer of the modular gym seat. So look, most of you that have been following along for the last 5 or 6 years know that I originally developed this to be a hip thrust seat, a modular hip thrust seat. But I wanted to change that because I wanted to be more versatile and easier to use. In doing that, I wanted to make sure that it's strong enough so that you can do real exercises on it, not just a regular foam pad hip thrust seat, but at the same time, I wanted it to be compact so that you don't have this long bar sticking out of it and you can actually carry it around with you. During that process, I figured out a better way so that you can snap it to any bar. Whether you have a Smith machine, whether you have a regular rack, or you just want to try something new on your barbell, all you have to do is snap it to your bar. Now look, that's a lot of talk. Let me just give you a demonstration. Hoorah, let's go.
To get started, the first thing you want to do is align the seat to the bar. Based on the size of your bar, swivel the F2 locking clamp to adjust it. Once that's done, it's locked in place. From there, you remove the handle. This will allow you to train at any position without it getting in the way. With your bar in the low position, you can perform exercises such as the hip thrust. Raise the bar, preacher curl. Spin the seat upside down, donkey calf raises. For even more training options, convert the horizontal seat into a vertical seat by simply repositioning the lock clamps. Lock them in place, and now you have an entirely new workout setup. You can do standing incline exercises such as overhead tricep extensions, followed up by secured seated bent back rows. And yeah, for you band bandits, there's something for you too.